Welcome to the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about the snake. Or at least some of them linky them. Might have heard about big robbery going at St. James. And within a short space of time, security forces them rally back. And no man after area even. But even from behind bars, the snake still find a way to slither around St. James. You see, even though snakes not in a hand, that one here seem to can reach very far. As I'm tell you, so them do everything them can to make sure say they hold on upon him. It's vile. That dopey butt, even from behind bars, I try to bring St. James back to where it once was. The acidic golden days when people like Shabsnake would do what they want to do. Right, I make the parish look like some kind of wild west cowboy show. It's not working anymore, snake guy. You know, you sit down there yourself. When you look at phone right now, I tune in, dopey butt. I'm going to talk about him. Before I'm going to that, all kind of message they know it already. When time we disappear for a little while. Especially when time people see a Sunday video, they say, oh, look YouTube about what they're about, man. Worry on yourself, what they're about. Look out for a couple of videos dropping in the next couple of days. Some of them I'll make already. And myself, we still have the mathematics of scamming video. That's dropping this Sunday. Portland, Frati. Video drop on that. Also a video of me basically waking people up so they can smell the coffee. Regarding, Jamaica and its behavior towards Uncle Sam. Because people like me say, boy, look at you, but you see how Jamaica said this, and just shouldn't afraid of Uncle Sam, shouldn't afraid of the US government, and afraid of this, and what they need to do is do this and do that. Guys, stop it. It's nice and make. If Uncle Sam cut out the internet only tomorrow and they can't get access to favorite apps them, when I go start climbing on light posts and jump off, stop it. But if you go start be realistic with them, because sometimes people get carried away. This whole heap of tough talking about what Jamaica should do when it comes down to America and all these countries, it's just nice, guy. Iron Man a bit like that. Iron Man hasn't been like that in a while. We must start Thomas to say without the general. Right, so, I go drop a video on that. If we go start, make people get realistic, because what's happening is people are watching too much documentaries online and I hear about what going over Yasso, and then I hear about the rebels them in the Middle East and rebels them in Africa and man of this. And then Ironmanians know start to get carried away. Guy, you're not big like that. Trust me. You're not big like that. I'm gonna talk about it. I'm gonna make someone smell the coffee. Because people get carried away now. Right? History has proven so a bit like that. And the president has proven say a bit like that. So look out for those videos. So back to Shabsnake. Snake down. Big robbery going at St. James. Man ain't go rob one supermarket. In the process, there was an exchange of gunshot between the 87 dopey bat them and the security forces. Squaddy all pick up rounds. Now so when time them think they go on, a man go back on the corner, I be a bragging. Yeah, dog, when time I run out, I saw one police boy, I go so see me and say, dog, right now, me say, don't go spell a ball, dog, I saw deep, man, I want to man, dunce. Yeah, man, I saw deep, man, I want to man, and things to play with people. Think to them rifle, I think to them rifle, you fire out paper. Think them rifle, you fire out cotton. No, dog, a straight metal. Rrr. Yeah, man, I saw do it, dog. Yo, pass me NSC there. Yeah, man, I saw do it. Little did they know their ticket to Airy Heaven had been booked. In a separate incident, I don't know, planned operation. Alright, this team I go for that one day, and this team I go for that one day. When the smoke clear, the plane to Airy Heaven had been boarded. While enough people here were going, enough people don't know who played a role in a war going from behind bars. Enough people don't know who the youth them linked to. Enough people don't know who are them general. The same snake. Snakey. Snake done. I know any other sell right now listening now. Supermarket robbery. Snake done. Now what kind of mission this said up about them gone? We're informing on the snake. We mute them. My youth, if a retention money and look, do whatever that dopey but do from behind bars. Build one TikTok page and ask Tats and Roses.
Tats and Roses, Tats and Roses.
Shabsnake. Just like other man, and by the way, only know say enough man na Iron Man now. When I best time to be a jail in Iron Man because man I build TikTok page and ask Tats and Roses. And Carrier send money. Carrier send money. This is why I'm telling you for Iron Man and you know. Sooner or later, we have to have sense, you know. Cause the same girl they want to tell you say she can't give you one hug because you know the money you're broke. And you're not driving a Lamborghini. She has sent Tats and Roses to man in the jailer.
Tats and Roses, Tats and Roses.
All I'm saying to you, Iron men, when woman no want you, them no want you. So let me tell you all kind of things about this and that. But who them want, them will take for them money and give him. Right, Tats and Roses is the thing there right now, guy. Man in jail get him Tats and Roses from your heartbeat. The love of your life, we are mad over. We are save all your little pennies them for buy roses. Right, she has sent Tats and Roses to kill them in a jail. Don't ask me, I know that. Don't ask me, I know that. But just know that go on. But the boy Shabsnake not even reach back a road yet. And already I try undo the great work we're going on at St. James. But unfortunately for Shabsnake and him dopey back them woke up in some different set of man now. And like in a stone crusher days. You see, Shabsnake come from the stone crusher era. When time them can shoot up on local place. When time them can shoot up on place. Broad daylight, no mask on them face. Police turn up, hold on upon them. Come we go station. Going at the station. Tell you say them a go hold him until a witness come. Witness to come by a certain time. ABS, Scorpius, Maximus, Flatulus. Gone back. Dip on the corner. NSC a drink and a laugh. One next case bus. I saw Sharp take them. Program. I saw them do them thing. From stone crusher days. That's why that monster could have grow to that level. Plus they had them political backings. Let's not forget that. Wink wink. But people like Shabsnake are like a tumor on the back of Iron Man. A tumor does. If you make that tumor keep spreading and getting bigger and bigger, it might be too late for you. I'm already telling you, one of the reasons why Shabsnake even there now are because he did run away and take away himself because foreign. So when time enough for the stone crusher wiping out that one, he did get away. And then he reappear, quote unquote, producer. Starlink could be an artist, I know that guy already. But the jig is up. Everybody know who Shabsnake is now. Everybody know it's all an act. Shabsnake can't even spell produce, much less he produce none. I don't know what. But I like how the St. James team responded swiftly. People have posted up all kind of RIP. I said I'm going to buy 1,000 balloons for release. Right now, that's a good business to be in an Iron Man balloon. Good business that. Here's an idea for the phone. Balloon, because right now, I don't know when time the KlLLED dead, I might get 1,000 balloon. When time the little man down the road dead, he might get 5 balloon and 10 balloon. But when time the KlLLED dead, it's when time the Dan dead, all 1,000 balloon are released. Remember one time I used to have a man who walk around Iron Man with a big cardboard with all kind of balloon on it. And you try to pick number and get the balloon and you never ever get the big balloon. Remember that? Gone down memory lane now. Remember that big balloon there? No care how you try, you can't get that big balloon. I've never seen somebody get that big balloon. Well, I them big balloon the 87 get. Shabsnake boy them get one. After Iron Heaven. Dopey bat Shabsnake. A different St. James. Yeah, I deal with. And maybe one day you'll find out for real. But check the stats, as I always do. Can you get already? I'm telling you already, it's Iron Man. It's poised to go under 1,000 murders this year. Check the figures. Down a third compared to last year. Murders still down a third compared to last year. It has to be studied. St. James Division in particular, looking splendid. The St. James Division is looking like Halle Berry in our prime. The St. James Division, as it relates to crime fighting, is looking like Kelly Rowland. Splendid, might I add. Westmoreland, big up on yourself though. 43.5% down. It has to be studied. Has to be studied. Them two division there can carry crime on them back alone. Westmoreland, St. James, St. Catherine North, and St. Andrew South. Them places they can carry the bulk of murders on them back. Well, Westmoreland are going good. St. James are going good. St. Catherine North, not looking too bad. St. Andrew South, well, let's just say, have work to do. Right now, they must go start take some of them dog there for the road. The brown dog, them then call mongrel. Them indestructible dog, they must go start take them and train them to turn police and send them to St. Andrew South. Maybe they can get some results. Because me say, why we know say serious police down there, enough man asleep in St. Andrew South. That's all me can say. Every division I turn it round. Right. St. James can turn it round. Westmoreland can turn it round. St. Catherine North can turn it round. But St. Andrew South, 13% increase. Of course, it can't get much worse than that, but sooner or later, St. Andrew South not forgot to join the game. Right. The ball game start. The left wing are run up and down. The centre back are the same thing. The goal are the same thing. The striker score. The attacking midfield are the same thing. And you just have this defensive mid. Just sit down there. And I make like a game now play. I forget bench. St. Andrew South. I forget bench. I'm before the video end. I'm telling you about 40. I talk about it, but Portland. 5 murders so far this year. Last year, this time they had 2. People are link me and say, look YouTuber, remember one time I used to warn me about the scammer them and warn me about this and warn me about the so-called top man them and them cause the problem I look YouTuber and I look up poor money in my Portland, you know. Of course, I know that. And the man them with the quote unquote big money, and the spender them are cause the problem in Portland. Not all money is good money in a guy, but there's some bad mind still, so I'm just hold my corner. But I'm going to talk about 40 in a separate video. Fortunately, a small numbers anyway, so it's from 2 last year to 5 this year. So it's not like it's 100, but still, any increase is an increase, and that's how place gets spooky. It starts, well, I just 5, well, I just 10, well, I just 20, and the next thing end up like Westmoreland. That's how Westmoreland is to stay. Well, I just 20 murders, not that bad. Well, I just 40 murders, the next thing you know, Westmoreland started some crazy numbers. Squaddy, start it out, no man. Go on, do. I understand it's enough 5 people them licky and children love things and then love treat and the people who do the people who mash up the place, children can spend some money and spend this and that. Enough people that go at them on, turn a blind eye. Portland people, don't forget who in the culture. Portland people, don't forget who it is. Don't get blindsided by fast money and scammer guy and nice car and them something. Remember on yourself, remember what make you so great, remember what make Portland so special. Don't lose in the way over a little flash in the pan excitement. Don't make these dopey bat mash up that parish. Start make the call them. That's how we say informing, you know. Start make the call them, guy. Don't sit back on your veranda and murmur. Right, make the call them. No matter how much of an informer you want to be, you can't be a bigger informer than Teletubby. You can't be a bigger informer than your favorite artist. You can't be a bigger informer than Dodos and the man. So don't worry yourself. Informing on nothing. A long time you're informed. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more live. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.